Hello. Okay, so a lot of people ask me, well, what happens when a pot breaks before you fire it? What happens? Do you just discard it? No, this is great thing about clay. It's because it's clay, it's dirt. And on a molecule level, it can be reattached with some liquidized slip. Then again, that's an oxymoron because slip is liquidized clay. You take that, you apply it on both pieces that are broken, and you can apply it to a point that it just comes all of a slushy, and then you can sand it down after it dries, and it's a perfect bond at a molecular, who comes up with these words anyhow, at the molecule level. Here is a dry piece, and I just broke it. So what happens is I take a bottle, I fill it up with some apple cider vinegar, I spray it onto the two pieces I wish to attach, and I add a little bit of slip, and there you have it. And what happens is vinegar releases and dries very evenly, but very slowly, so you don't get any rush of drying, which would normally cause cracks, and therefore